Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I'm still looking at this as very likely making its way up, probably to at least a 78% Fibonacci extension, probably taking out the high of wave W and the high of wave 4. I think it's 3 waves up for W, 3 waves down for X, and it should be 1, 2, 3 waves up for the wave Y, or an ABC of Y on the shorter time frames. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I still think this seems very clear that it's going up. I think this right here is already part of the wave C. So this is the A, this is the B. That makes this a wave 1. That makes this a big ABC of 2. And yeah, there's definitely going to be plenty of pullbacks, I'm sure, along the way. But I think that we are in a wave 3, which on the higher time frames, like the weekly, should continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely got a pretty good turn to the downside. We got a little bit of a break of structure. So far, we don't really know that the whole trend is over, so I only have my Fibonacci retracement on the last little push up. Because if we do get a Fibonacci bounce, then we definitely should take it as a long. I mean, technically, the trend is still basically still up on the daily time frame. And if this really is a wave 3, I mean, wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, so it could easily just keep on going up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, I would consider the trend down on the 4 hour time frame. We definitely do have a break of structure to the downside. We haven't broken this more major structure back here yet, so the daily trend is up. 4 hour time frame and below is definitely in a move to the downside. And if it does go down, break this level right here, then I would put my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up on the daily time frame, and I would look for a much bigger correction. But as of right now, I mean, we definitely got to pay attention to these Fibonacci levels, because if it makes a bounce, makes a big break of structure, I would take it as another long opportunity. The trend is your friend, and technically the trend is up on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I mean, if you were trading the 1 hour time frame and below, then you should definitely be looking for shorts right now. Now, I think that we need to be paying very close attention to these fib levels. Like I said, if we get a Fibonacci bounce and we get a break of structure, I would definitely at that point stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs for the continuation of the uptrend. But this definitely does not have to play out like this. It very easily could be in for a much bigger, much more significant much more significant correction on the daily time frame. So I would be looking for shorts, and if you're looking for shorts and it just keeps on going down, making lower lows, lower highs, then I would just continue to look for shorts at the end of every pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.